keep pushing my limits and all the drive that I have. Well, I'm going the distance with you. I didn't know what I had till I knew I was missing, and everything that I dread, well, I built a resistance with you.
Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we will be painting a Fender, so I'll show you how you can easily paint your Fender as a beginner or otherwise. So we have the Fender over here. First of all, I'm just going to check if it's the same size as the Fender that I need, and then we can paint it. I think it comes primed already, so it's just wiping down and painting it, but let's see.
Catch me when I fall, and I'll keep you on the ground. You're gonna wish you'd stay.
So there we have it. It looks a little bit bent on that side, but I think I might be able to straighten it up, so it's not really what I'm doing. But yeah, I think it's the same size as this one. So I have some baking soda mixed with water and vinegar. I don't have a degreaser, so I'm going to use that as a degreaser. I have 2 of these clean microfiber clothes, one so that I make it right down, and another one right up. So I'm going to start degreasing it first. So make sure you wipe down the edges too. Then the next thing would be we'd use this 3M 1500 to just scour it up, scrub it up a bit, and then wipe it down again. Then
fast lane, I understand that you've been broken too many times, but I'll be waiting to mend you wounds from all you've taken. But if we listen to each other, admit our mistakes, then I can show you who I am, because I'm not the same. I'm better with you.
So we are ready for the paint. We'll be using this color. It's the, I think, original silver Toyota color. So we have to shake it for at least 30 seconds. So now we have the first coat in. We can leave it for a few minutes, let it settle down, and then we can do another coat. Now we'll start with one side. can see where it's bent. I don't know what I'll do about it. I'll try something out. Hopefully it works. But yeah, the second big coat is in, so I'll just give it another few minutes and continue with another coat. And finally now we'll do one last coat, and later on we'll do the clear coat too. So let's get it one more time and give it some time to dry up. That should be good. This should match the color, the original Toyota colors. So yeah, let's keep it as this and do the clear coat later. Last step would be clear coating it. So this is what we'll use. And before that, I'll just wipe it down with this prep wipe towel. And this comes with a paint, so the link will be in the description for the paint I used, which has this wipes. So we'll wipe it down and then use the clear coat. So we're going to try and make sure that we don't have it stagnant in one spot for a few seconds. So you just have to make sure that you're moving constantly all the way around. So we'll do one more coat and then let it dry, and then we'll do a final one after. And now we're going to do the final coat. That's how you do it. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.